What is up, YouTube? NinerFaithful52 here, back with another sneaker unboxing. As you can see by the title, these are the Air Jordan 1 Mids Barcelona sweaters is what they're calling them. It's the pan leather Chile red joints. Very dope colorway, you'll see right now. Got these from, I believe, Champ Sports. Get the box out of the way. So here's the box. They also threw in these thank you for your purchase. Yeah. All right. No coupon, but still. So here's the Jordan 1 box, your typical box. Here's the tag. Air Jordan 1 Mid SC Chile red / White-Pollen. Size 10, retail price $130. Here we go. Typical Jordan paper, Jordan 1 paper. Eee, look at these, man. Excuse me. Look at these. All right, so these really are like a Chile red, as they stated. They do come with an extra set of black laces, which is a nice touch. I mean, hardly any Jordan 1 mids come with extra laces. They do come with these red laces, Chile red laces, it seems like, to match the patent leather here. I wish they threw in some white ones. I think they'd go better with white laces, but nonetheless, can't be mad at an extra set of laces here. So here's like a quick little look around at the shoe. So you got the white toe box here, white leather here, and you got patent leather everywhere, the Chile red. It's actually this Chile red. Actually, it's not red, you know, it's like a almost like a red orange type of red. You know, got the patent leather swoosh, got the white Air Jordan Wings logo here, and you got this fabric here, the, what's like a, you can hear that? You got this, I don't know what you call this, like wool or something, or satin material or something. But you got the design here of the Barcelona sweater that Michael Jordan wore. Look at that. So patent leather all around. Here's the tongue here, Jordan Air tongue and white. Red tongue, red laces. Icy sole. Look at that. Not many mids have that. White midsole. Just an all around clean shoe. I think people slept on this shoe for sure. It's a rare colorway. I like it a lot. So like I stated, black laces. The inside, let me check real quick. So you got, there's the Jumpman in white, red insole. Yeah. So overall, man, I mean, this shoe's pretty clean. I got them on Chaps. Shout out to, I believe it was Sneakers Twitter. On Twitter. They had like a little coupon or something, discount code. So I actually picked these up, excuse me, for around, give or take, I think it was like $118 or something like that, like with the taxes and everything. Yeah, these are fire. I'm not gonna lie. I had to pick these up. I don't have like a Champ Sports locally, so obviously I ordered these online. But yeah, man, just a very clean shoe. You know, I'm a mid guy. You know, I love mids. You know, I buy what I like. I rock what I like. You know, I don't buy shoes that I don't like. You know, I don't buy hype. I don't buy anything like that. I buy what I like, and these are fire. To me, they're fire. Look at that. Let me just bring out the other shoe just to show you guys. I was showing you just one shoe. Here's the other shoe. Just a quick little unboxing, you know, quick little review. First look. Definitely a clean, it's just a clean colorway. I think the only thing that I would change about this is if the Chile red was actually red, maybe that would attract more people. Probably the patent leathers would kill it for people. You know, if it was an all leather shoe, probably it'd sell out instantly. Or as people would call it, you know, if it was a high, oh, these would fly instantly. Yeah, for sure. But that's basically like the only thing I would change about this shoe. And all the black laces to white. But hey, can't be mad at an extra set of laces, especially on the mid. This rarely comes with an extra pair of laces. So it comes with this, you already know, standard Jordan 1 box, you know. And then here's the tag one more time if y'all are interested in looking for the exact name, the code. Here it is. Look it up on StockX or anything, eBay, Goat, anything like that. So there you have it. This has been my little review, unboxing of the Barcelona sweater AJ1 Mids SCs, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.